Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, September the 7th, 2024. It's today, Saturday. Yes, tomorrow, tomorrow it will be Sunday, September the 8th. We have here two regular puzzles. Here, September the 7th. I will solve this one, the medium Sudoku with 3 stars, in a minute. Tomorrow evening, I will solve the samurai Sudoku. And this evening, in this puzzle page, we have here 6 extra puzzle pages. I will do 4 of them. We have here 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars. And the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, this evening. Tomorrow afternoon, well, we have here an additional with extra puzzles. Tomorrow on Sunday afternoon, I will solve 4 puzzles of this additional. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. We have jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star in Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon on Sunday, yes. Now, the medium Sudoku with 3 stars. Yes, this will be number 9 228 9228. Yeah, let me put this here. 9228. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Wow. Should be at 2 stars. It's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. The question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, there only 2 places left. 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, there only 2 places left. 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers to 1 and a 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the middle column, so no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers to 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8. Need a 9 here. Need a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here. Or there we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in this row below, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 8 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. Then 3, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 is supposed to be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 supposed to be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 supposed to be there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in this last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, and 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me think. 9. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 1, 2. I need a 9 here. I need a 9. 8. Come on. Need a 6. 8. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square, could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. And only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the 5th column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the 2nd column, no 6 there. The only place left for 6 should be there. Then 7 here, 7 there, 7 here, 7 there. Yeah, I'm thinking. Well, we have a pair here in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers. Oh, no. Yeah, 2 of those missing numbers. No. Not a pair. Wrong. Well, let me put the 7. We need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And one of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me here. Needed 8 there. Well, in this column we needed 8. Here came in 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, or there in this column. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the only place left 8 should be there. 6 2 1 2 6 1 2 6. No 6 here. Well, 2 8 9 2 8 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. Here came in 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here came in 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place level 8 in this row should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. 179. 99. Yeah. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Then let me see. 1, 2, and the 5. We need a 5 here. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. 7 and a 1. 7. 7. Okay. How about the number? The number. 2 9 1 2 9 1 2 9 1 2 9. No. 1 2 5 1 2 5 1 2 5 1 2 1 2. These 2 missing numbers in this row are numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then let me see. 7 and a 1. 2 and a 9. So we have a 2 in the last row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Here 2 and the 9 are left in the second column. Yeah. Then how about these 2 missing numbers in this row? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well, And here I need a 7. Yeah. And here I need a 2 here. Yeah. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Alright. 7, 5, and need a 2. We need a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be here. And I've eliminated 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated 7, so the 7 goes there. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 now in the first row, so this box should be a 9. And that box should be a 2. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And 1 goes there, 1 box left now in this big square for number 9. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 there. The third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And 1 or a 9, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 9. And the final number in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 60 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Definitely a 2 stars. Yeah. Not a 3 stars. Otherwise, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, we solved this in 60 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Yeah, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. So again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.